What's going on, YouTube? Wanted to give you something quick and easy to practice. So look, this is going to be so simple to practice, but you'll sound cool once you learn it playing this in front of your friends. So I'll play it first and then we'll break it down. Here how it goes. Okay, so simple. It might sound complicated, but it is not. Okay, let's break it down real fast. All I'm doing is playing a C chord, playing A minor chord, F chord, and a G chord. That's it. So once you have those chords down, you pretty much have what's going on. So we're just doing a couple things. Okay, so all I'm doing is with the C chord, I'm just rolling on it. Okay, so I play C, D. Okay, once I play C, D, I hit C, E in my right hand, and I play C, G in my left hand at the same time. Then after I do that, I hit G. After I hit the G, I go to my second chord, which is the A minor. A, E in the left hand, A, C, E in the right hand. Okay? And then I kind of do some rolls on that. Okay? After I go, I hit my F chord, which is our third chord that we learned. F, C in the left hand, F, A, C in the right hand. After you hit that chord, hit this E. Then we got our G chord, which we're going to roll on that G chord like we did in the first chord we played. So after I hit F, okay, so you're just going to roll on the G, A, and then hit G and B in the right hand. And as you hit G and B in the right hand, you're going to hit G, D in your left hand. Okay? Okay, now before you go back to the C, you can roll on the G again. Okay? It's really that simple. Okay, so that's what you can do. Now, let me give you a couple quick tips to make it sound slightly better. You can play it up the scale, right? You could do stuff like that, and then go to the A chord. Or you can roll down the scale instead of rolling up. You could go. Okay, so, or you can do stuff like, if you know your scales, your major scales, you can even do that. So look, we'll do it like this. Okay, so all I did right there is play the C major scale. That's it, and I just rolled. So those are a couple quick tips. Hopefully you found this video interesting. Hopefully you found that you learned something. Please subscribe. Please like this video. And comment below if you want me to make a video about anything specific that you want. So talk to you soon. Appreciate the love and support. Peace.